My father was fired when I was 12. We children had to go to work as a clean. We cleaned the toilet. I hated the world. When things are really bad, you can only laugh. And the most important thing is faith. Everything in this life comes and goes, and only what is in our hearts remains. I wanted to be a great actor, where his name would have 4 sentences, but it shouldn't be like of this. You need to be yourself. Everything in your life is done not with you, but for you, so always say yes. Rules of Life of Jim Carrey and How Not to Lose Yourself. My father could have been a great comedian, but he never believed in himself and chosen the profession of an accountant. When I was 12 years old, my father was fired, and our family had to do everything possible to survive. Moreover, my family sank to the bottom of society when I was 16. We children had to go to work. We became a family cleaning crew. We cleaned the toilet. I hated the world at the time, and I was terribly hurt that life had treated my father and us like this, but I learned a lot from my father, and one of the most important lessons is that even if you do something you don't like, you can fail. Try to take a chance and choose something you like. By choosing what you love, you will never lose. My soul is not confident with my body. My body is in the influence soul. I always say that I would really like to people to realize that they will never find peace of mind in wealth and fame. I know from my experience that the impact we have is the most valuable currency. Everything we get in life, everything will fall into small pieces. All that is left of us, what was in our heart, and I have become free from my human worry. I used to think who I am without my fame, what I imagined for myself, what if I lost everything. Now it's clear that no emotion of weather can replace what I feel my life, with inspiration. Don't be afraid of everything. We are afraid of what others will think of us. We are afraid to do what we think is right. Is it benefit for society that everything plays this game and the rules can be broken from time to time? Only we have decided how much fear controls what we do. Life is two feelings, two scary fire. Love for you, workplace, travel and dreams. Love can change the world for the better, but fear can't. Many of us want to make positive impact on the world, but we don't know how or where we should start doing it. We devote our entire life to school, work, and many of us realize that we have forgotten about our hearts and what make it tremble with joy. We have only one life, and we can't spend it trying to please someone. In the second grade, we had a new Irish teacher who said, if I pray to Virgin Maria, I ask for everything. I went home and prayed to the Virgin Maria for a Mustang bike, and my father couldn't buy me a bike because of poverty, and all my friends had Mustang. And 2 weeks later, I come home from school, I go into the bedroom, and my brother comes in and says, why are you sitting here? I saw what's in our kitchen. It was my Mustang, and I won a green Mustang bike in a lottery bars. Even so, I didn't participate in it. My dream seems unable. It seems as if the dream will never come true, and we are afraid to ask the universe to help. And if the requires is not failing that hour, I'm still sure that the universe is already by make my other to reality. I'm proof that you can ask for the fulfillment of I wish. I've always believed in miracles. I don't know if they actually happens or if it just seems like it's because of us, but it seems to me that we are the essence of us. If you believe that you can do something, the probability of success increases. Life doesn't happen to us, but happen for us. Why not taking a chance? Give faith a chance. I'm not talking about religion. I have to introduce faith in myself. Faith in all the best. I no longer hope. Hope is very doubt substance. Hope is a beggar. Here everyone asks what is the purpose of person. Everything in this life comes and goes, and only what is in hearts remain. I can to conclusion that my goal is to make people happy, to make them happy, laugh, smile. I enjoy it. Try and find yourself the station. By the way, one more thing, always say yes.